One thing I did not mention in the last video is in order to even get to New York City, in North Carolina, where I'm leaving from, you have to go through Richmond, Virginia, Washington, Baltimore, and Philadelphia to just get to New York City. And then you have to do all the problems in New York City. On top of that, you have to go underneath this underwater tunnel. Like there's a tunnel that goes underwater and I have to drive the semi truck through it. Yeah. So we drove a little bit already. We have about 6 hours, 18 minutes left to drive. And we took a little nap so we can head out a little later, do a little bit of night driving to avoid a lot of this traffic. Try to go during the day for you guys so you can see some of the insane traffic through these big cities, but it's just, it wears you out. I'd rather be rested up a little bit and go when there's not as much traffic, less to deal with just driving. And as you can see, even at night, even when we're driving at night, it's still can be pretty hectic out here. So we're gonna get some sleep and unload in the morning. This is morning, and gonna have to go check in to get unloaded. So, I removed the tarp, and the guy was extremely helpful with getting me backed in. And he also has a YouTube channel, so you can check him out right here. Hey, we recorded a shout out for that guy, and the audio was terrible, so this is Future Alex here telling you about Tigger. I told him if he uploaded another video that I would shout him out, and he's working on specifically a video for truckers, tips and tricks on how to stay healthy on the road. So if you're interested in that, check his channel out right here. Back to the video. But if you notice, I'll show a little B-roll footage of the way this truck is positioned right now. If he did not help me get in, like, it's a pretty high possibility I could have got stuck in this little divot here because the trailer is so low and it's at such an angle that the trailers have been stuck here before. Thank you, London. I appreciate you, London, for helping me get back in here. So yeah, right now we're just waiting on London to take the glass off, and then we're gonna go through actual New York City to go to Carlisle, Pennsylvania. That's when things get crazy. We're not gonna go straight through New York City, but we're still hitting some pretty congested areas, especially being during the day. It's one thing driving early in the morning or late at night, but even in the outskirts of New York, it's pretty hectic during the day. Let's just show you. we just stopped driving for the day and we're gonna go to bed, but you might want to see another video of us going to New York City. And if that's the case, then you could check this one out right here. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye!